Hey, good Tuesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update for this June the 11th, 2013. A boundary pushing off the coast as we head through today. Maybe a few isolated showers or thunderstorms, mainly to the east of US 17 this afternoon, but overall most of us are going to stay dry and clearing skies as well. Temperatures turn hot and also chances for storms back in the forecast as we head towards the latter half of the week. Let's take a few shots from the Skycam network this afternoon. Here's the shot from the Hampton Inn on Greenville Boulevard looking back to the north and west. Finally some blue skies. We haven't seen that in probably about 2 days. Clouds kind of mixing in at times, but overall it's been a nice day. Currently 82 in Greenville. Traffic moving along smoothly on Greenville Boulevard. And not the best shot from the Seahawk Inn and Villas. The camera a little dirty down there, but you get the picture. Mostly sunny skies at the time being. Rough surf though. Take it easy. We've had, obviously, a couple of instances with rip currents over the past couple of weeks, so we want everybody to take it easy if you're heading out to the beach. But overall, nice day, a little breezy. Winds coming out of the southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Current temperature down there, 80. It's nice and comfortable down along the coast, along the Crystal Coast this afternoon. Satellite imagery this afternoon. You can see the cold front now well offshore. And a little remnant moisture still hanging around, especially along the coast, but you see the capped atmosphere. I don't see very much in the way of development over the next probably 6 hours, but there's going to be the potential for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, just with enough energy to bring them up and just enough moisture to hang around behind the front. But we're expecting more moisture to hang around as we head into the next couple of days, especially for your Wednesday and your Thursday as well. So don't be surprised if you see an isolated shower or thunderstorm later on this afternoon. Speaking of the radar, just a few, already seeing a few sprinkles into Duplin County, just a touch south of Beulahville this afternoon, along Highway 24, also into northwestern portions of Onslow County, out towards Richlands. Temperature down there is still in the upper 70s. Not too bad, but that's also some rain-cooled air getting off of that little storm up there. Also, a few showers down towards the Duplin-Sampson County line. And also right along the Outer Banks, right north of Hatteras up towards Buxton. Alright, model fans, here's the 12Z output of the GFS. Showing you guys what's going on across the area. We've got that trough of low pressure making its way off the coast as we speak, and just enough energy to spark up one or two showers or thunderstorms this afternoon, but overall shouldn't be too bad of an issue. Temperatures will still be able to warm up into the mid and upper 80s for inland locations. Even though we've had the clouds this morning, the sunshine's really going to help bring out that heat and humidity today. You see the northwest flow coming in here. And that's going to be a culprit for probably the next 2 days, and that's going to be a dry flow for us, especially going into tomorrow as far as the upper levels are concerned. Heat ridge over the central portion of the United States. They're talking temperatures closing in on the 100-degree mark heading towards the this week, and we're not going to be too far off from that. Here's Wednesday, and temperatures tomorrow are going to be quite warm. With that northwest flow, we're going to call it mostly sunny skies. Maybe some clouds here and there, maybe partly sunny at times. But with the thickness values, I mean, we're talking thickness values approaching 588. I mean, that's hot. That is just downright hot. And, you know, this is almost a July look. And we're talking temperatures low mid-90s tomorrow. It's going to be a hot, steamy day. If you got plans to do anything, head down to the beach. It's going to be a hot day tomorrow. But thankfully, we won't be dealing with any thunderstorms per se. We'll just be dealing with the warm temperatures across eastern North Carolina. Like I said, it's just going to be a hot day. So take those warm weather precautions if you do have plans to go outside. Probably in the next, say 24 hours, and even the next 48 hours as we go forward towards Thursday. Even though that you have this trough moving in here, it's still going to be downright hot. We're forecasting with that coming in High temperature 95 degrees. It is going to be steamy right before our storm system moves in here. That cold front drapes its way into the area as we head towards the afternoon hours of Thursday. And we're talking the potential for some severe weather as well. Right now, looking at the flow, I would think more so a straight line wind event than anything else, but the severe weather parameters, I mean, they're there. I mean, we've got the instability, we're going to have the lift, and we're going to have the moisture. It's all coming together, and just the way the wind profiles are, I'm leaning more towards a straight line wind event for Thursday, late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening and early portions of Friday morning with this storm system. But once again, it's going to be a hot day. Expect that before we even get to the storms come Thursday afternoon. Here's Friday, trough coming in here. That's going to cool us down a good little bit. I think maybe a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm early on Friday and clearing out through the afternoon hours. But you see what goes on. The 585 decameter line is now well down to the south, and we've got a 573 on top of us. That is some cooler weather, but only about 10 degrees. It's not going to be extraordinarily cold or anything, but it will be cooler. Father's Day weekend looking good for us as well. We'll call it mostly sunny skies for Saturday rather, with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. It's going to be a nice day on Saturday. You got plans, go out and do them. Sunday's going to be another nice day as well. I think maybe a few more clouds and a touch warmer, but not too bad. We're calling for low to mid 80s that afternoon as well. Probably closer to the mid 80s that afternoon. Monday's going to be another warm day, a touch warmer than what it was on Saturday. On Sunday, we'll call it partly cloudy, and maybe a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm. The model's depicting maybe a few showers and thunderstorms along a boundary that's going to be just to the north. So we'll watch that one as it makes its way closer to us. Here's Tuesday. That's going to be the better chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. The European's a little bit wetter on this look, so we'll watch that one. But in the meantime, we'll call it a 30% chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday with a high in the mid to possibly even upper 80s. And then Wednesday morning, that frontal boundary gets on out of here, and then we go more into that northwest flow once again. To the surface parameters, obviously we've got a few lingering showers today, but that's about it. Nothing too serious. Won't put a hampering or scamper this afternoon. Tomorrow, dry, hot. Temperatures, like I said, low to mid 90s. It's going to be a hot day, so be prepared for that. And even on Thursday, you see the front. It's back off to the west. It's going to swing in here late on Thursday. We'll step you through that. You see basically by 8 o'clock, we're talking about the potential for that straight line wind event possibly, and even into early portions of Friday morning. That's valid for 2 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Some strong storms possible. And even maybe a slight chance for rain early on Friday, but then clearing out quickly. So we get that dry northerly flow on the backside of the low. It's going to be a nice afternoon. It's going to be dry. It's going to be very comfortable for us as we head towards Friday afternoon. Here's a look on Saturday. High pressure on top of us, mostly sunny. It's going to be a nice day that day with temperatures low to mid 80s. Here's Sunday. High pressure once again on top of us. Maybe a few clouds that afternoon with the getting on the dirty side of the high with the flow coming more out of the south and southwest. That's going to be a little bit moisture wind. That's going to bring in some more moisture, bringing maybe some more clouds. Here's Monday. Maybe a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm that afternoon, but very slim even into the afternoon hours. That's 8 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. Here's Tuesday, and like I said, the European's a lot wetter. We're calling it a 30% chance for rain. You see the frontal boundary right in through here. So we'll watch it closely. I just don't have the confidence to say it's going to storm that day right now. The European's a little bit more on the wet side compared to this run on the GFS. And here's Wednesday, and obviously it gets a little wetter going into Wednesday morning, so it looks like the GFS is just running maybe a touch slower than the European model, but for the time being we'll call it mostly cloudy and high temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update for today. We'll keep you guys updated on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will be in this evening at 5, 5:30, 6, as well as 10 on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Have a great afternoon and stay cool.